Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a Rust EAC disconnected error. So first, completely close Steam and EAC Anti-Cheat. Just close it, and should be no tasks left on your test manager as well. Look for Steam and close all the tasks that is available here, right? Should be no tasks of Steam and EAC Anti-Cheat, right? EAC Anti-Cheat should be also no tasks. Then what you need to do here is to relaunch Steam. Then look for Rust. Then right click on it. Go to Properties. Install Files Browse. Then on this new window here, right click on EAC Anti-Cheat and then delete it. And delete from your bin as well if you want to. Then go back here and verify integrity of the game files here and wait until it loads up. And after it's done, just launch Rust and the issue should be solved. The game should work. So as you can see here, it's working perfectly fine. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like.